Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Keyword Planner for US search intent, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, locate the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the Tools and Settings icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the menu, under the Planning section, click on Keyword Planner. You will be directed to the Keyword Planner interface. Choose the Discover New Keywords option to start your keyword research. Enter a specific product or service relevant to your niche in the provided text box. Select the location where you want to target your keywords, ensuring it is set to United States. Adjust the language setting to English to focus on US search intent. You can also set a negative keyword filter if there are terms you want to exclude. Once you have set your parameters, click the Get Results button. The Keyword Planner will generate a list of suggested keywords based on your input. Review the list carefully, focusing on search volume and competition metrics. Use the filters available to sort keywords by relevance or other criteria. Select the keywords that align with your campaign goals by clicking the checkboxes. After you have selected your keywords, click on the Add Keywords button to save them. Review your selected keywords in the Plan section of the tool. You can further analyze each keyword to understand its trends and forecasts. Consider downloading the keyword list for offline reference. To ensure ongoing relevance, revisit Keyword Planner periodically to update your strategy. Remember, effective keyword tracking is essential for optimizing your content and advertisements. Following these steps will help you configure Google Keyword Planner effectively for US search intent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.